Hello and welcome to this session of Work Excel. In this session we'll learn about different ways how COUNTIFS can be used. I am Sanjay Gandhi. I'll take you through 6 different ways how COUNTIFS can be used. Equal to COUNTIFS, entire column region. We first take the criteria range, comma, then the criteria, which is this value, and enter. If I go back and modify this value, for example, and write that in double quotes over here, you will notice that this still works fine. But if I change the value here, for example, it doesn't take the update because the reference is not there. So it's always a good idea to apply the reference in Excel functions as far as possible. That takes the correct answer, as you can notice over here. So let's save the formula for future reference and try the next one. In this example, if I try, for example, two values from same column, let us see how it works. Region column, comma, compared with south, comma, again region column, comma, compared with north. In this case, you can notice that it doesn't give the value, which means I must modify this. We must understand that COUNTIFS cannot work on the same column with two different values, so it has to be separated by a plus sign over here and applied with another COUNTIFS. And we can get the range available like this and apply that on the combination like this. This finally gives me the right answer. So north and south in total make 5 entries over here. Let us save this also for future reference. We then try, for example, the next combination over here, which is COUNTIFS on Choco and East. So for Choco, I select my entire column product over here, comma, Choco, comma, and then the region over here, entire column region, comma, and the region. Close bracket, enter. So I get my answer correct over here. It's East and Choco combination, which is this one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's the combination available in this case. So we save this also for future reference and proceed further. Now if I try to count the values over here, sale value from the sale column, for example, comma, and then the sale value, I get the answer number 1, which is available over here. But in case I want all the values more than equal to 19,500, for example, I can then place it like this with ampersand and operations over here, ampersand sign, address. That gives me the right answer. 7 values more than equal to 19,500. If I want, for example, the month entry is available on the given date, for example, then for October I want the values available, then I can try equal to COUNTIFS on the date, comma, then this month available will not work. Therefore, I need to modify this and work on the date column from where I've taken my month. So I take it month column over here and apply that on month column over here, and I get the answer correct. So there are 2 entries for October. You can notice over here 10 and 10. Let's keep that for future reference over here like this, and then this also over here like this. Let's try to work with the date right now and find out how to work directly with the date. Equal to COUNTIFS, entire column for date, comma, compared with the date, enter. So I see there are 4 entries available for 2nd August, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just as we tried for number, we can try for this also, that if I want, for example, all the dates more than equal to the given date, we can use like this. This gives me the idea about all the dates more than equal to 2nd August over here. So here we have got 6 ways available how COUNTIFS can be used. We cannot, however, give the date directly over here in double quotes or the hash sign as it is done in some languages, but here we will give the reference to the date outside in a cell. That's a better approach how we can count with dates. Let us revise the steps. COUNTIFS arguments are: first is the criteria range where we need to count. Second is the criteria value, and we can repeat that about more than 100 times. That's how COUNTIFS can work with 6 different ways. Thank you.